Paid traffic versus free traffic. Which is best? Well, come with me and I will show you exactly why free traffic is the way to go. Just give me 1 second. Just lock my front door. Okay, so we're going to get in the car and we're going to go for a little drive to the office. So let me just get in the car. And let me put you up here. Okay. So, as I said, paid traffic versus free traffic. I want to start by telling you a little story. I have tried all of the paid traffic techniques out there, just about every single one. And sometimes, if I was lucky, I broke even, sometimes. But most of the time, I lost money. And then one day, Google decided to ban me overnight. The night this happened, it actually it happened when there was a lot of marketers banned, literally overnight. And I'm sure you've heard of Google Slaps. And basically that's what happened. They simply didn't want an internet marketers type of business. They didn't want our business. So two things happened. You either got banned or your pay-per-click campaigns were priced so high that you just simply couldn't pay for the clicks. You know, the clicks went from something like 50 cents to $10 per click. It just wasn't worth doing. So Google, for me, has never really worked. And I haven't really found anyone who made a success of Google AdWords, any internet marketer, or anyone who's does what we do. I haven't really found anyone who's got that to work consistently. And for the amount of time and effort you have to put in to set campaigns up, test things, get ads approved, you know, is it really, really worth it? And it's the same with Facebook. And in fact, I predict a big Facebook slap coming. It's getting harder and harder to get ads approved. And the Facebook ad system, if you've ever gone in there, you know, you log into your Facebook account and Facebook will tell you, yeah, make money promoting your page. And you go, okay, I'll have a look. And it's crazy. It's crazy how complicated it is. So paid traffic for me was not an option because, for one, Google banned me. And for two, Facebook were making it absolutely impossible. So I'm going to show you, when we get to my office, I'm going to show you why free traffic is the way to go and how free traffic has basically enabled me to earn millions and millions of dollars online. So when we get to the office, I'll show you exactly how I do it. Welcome to the office, and before we jump on the computer, I just want to sort of explain what happened after Google banned me. Basically, I could no longer pay for traffic because back then when it actually happened, Facebook advertising wasn't really as big as it is now. So I literally had to start learning how to generate traffic on my own. And the thing is, this was a blessing in disguise because had Google not banned me, I would have kept trying to find ways to make paid traffic work. So I basically had to learn how to drive my own traffic or my business was going to fail. And that is exactly what I did. So when we jump on the computer, I'm going to show you exactly the sort of results I get driving my own traffic. Okay, now we are on the computer. I just want to show you some various traffic stats from some of my websites. Now, the stats we are looking at here are for my domain, johnthornhill.com. Most of these visitors are going to my blog. Not all of these visitors, but most of these visitors are hitting my blog. And you can see, you know, most months, it's quite consistent. Apart from we've had a little, you know, we're not all the way through September, but you can see most months it's usually around the 20,000 visits per month mark. So, I mean, that's about what? That's about 600-700 visitors per day. All 100% free traffic. That hits, you know, a lot of that hits my blog. And when people get to my blog, obviously they read the content I've got to distribute, you know, the articles I write, etc. But a lot of the stuff I write does contain affiliate links, which then goes to affiliate-related offers. Also, I promote my own products and services there. So obviously, all of this traffic is highly, highly valuable traffic, and a lot of that traffic turns into sales. I also want to show you
the traffic stats for simpletrafficsolutions.com, the site you are on right this minute. You are one of these visitors that's showing up on these stats right now. And again, this is quite consistent around the $5,000 mark. We had a big spike in August. I'm guessing we had a lot of affiliate traffic that month. But the thing I want to point out here is I do nothing to get this traffic. Nothing at all. This traffic just comes in, and obviously a lot of that traffic is turned into sales. Again, it is 100% free traffic. Okay, and I do want to show you this stat as well. This is for a product I've been promoting for a number of years. Okay, this is for D9 Hosting. It's a hosting company that I use and I recommend. Now, because of my recommendations, I drive traffic to D9 from various places. Obviously, I'm not going to disclose everything on this video because that's what that's what you'll learn once you get inside Simple Traffic Solutions. But there's numerous locations that I'm sending traffic from on autopilot. I don't lift a finger, and you can see I sent 17,319 clicks to D9, and I managed to get 1,425 customers. That's an 8.23% conversion. The important thing you need to see, I don't want to show you everything here, but $36,470 in commissions that I have been paid. Okay, again, this is from 100% free traffic. And remember, this is just one of the many, many offers that I'm promoting. And I also want to show you my sales on JVZoo, okay? And this is the total sales I've made on JVZoo. I've been using JVZoo for around 3 years now, and you can see we've done over $500,000 in sales. We drove 860,000 visitors that have generated over 30,000 sales. Again, I must stress, this is 100% free traffic. And if you just look down the right-hand side, you can see, the amount of money a lot of this traffic is making, okay? Silly amounts of money that obviously adds up to over $500,000. And that's just as a vendor on JVZoo. Also, as an affiliate on JVZoo, I've generated over $450,000. So I've actually generated over $1 million in total sales on JVZoo. Again, 377,000 visitors. So I've drove well over 1 million visitors through the JVZoo platform. Again, all 100% free traffic. And again, if I scroll down, you can see, lots and lots of things that I've promoted and sold over the years. Okay, so remember, the thing I want to stress here is all of the traffic that I generate is 100% free, okay? Inside Simple Traffic Solutions, you will learn every single traffic generation technique that I use, okay? You learn how I'm driving traffic to JVZoo offers. You learn how I'm driving the traffic to the D9 affiliate offer. You'll see how I get the thousands and thousands of hits per month to my website. Everything is revealed inside Simple Traffic Solutions. So hopefully this is going to convince you to jump on board, and hopefully I'm going to see you inside the Simple Traffic Solutions members area.